No?
No? Oh yeah, now it is.
It's been recording
Well,
this whole
It
time.
wasn't flashing.
Okay, take two. Getting some extra tips tonight from Coach Blazak. So welcome back, Coach Bender. Miss Bender learns to skate. Episode 3. Getting my own series mixed up.
Took a hiatus.
Took a little bit of a break. It's been a few weeks since we recorded our last one of these, but we've gone skating once or twice in there. It was just tough to film. It was tough to get us out here. Real life got in the way. She had a birthday, so happy birthday to her again. So we don't have too much time left in the session, but working on stopping a little bit, and let's get to some skating. All right. Just don't pick it up and throw a snowball. Thanks for the help. All right, some swizzle warm-ups. No, the feet out one. Yeah. There you go. For taking some time off, it's not bad. All right, slaloms. Woo. Straight away, back into it. Just keep going, keep going. Yeah, crunch it, I was gonna say. All right, there's people behind you. That was good though.
What's our, I think I got both of those.
Yeah, that was a good warm up. How do you feel? Better?
I feel better than I thought.
I know, you were nervous coming in here because it's been a while since we recorded. It's been a while since we skated. Do you want to pick it up where we left off on the Instagram teaser? If you're not already, go check out Beer Like Bender on Instagram. I think it's time to work on the inside edge. You jumped right back into the old drills, no problem. Okay. Well, I set the other camera up far away, but we don't even need it.
We'll do it over there.
Yeah, we'll just do it on the head. Okay. Oh. Not bad. Okay, you got a good gap. You got a good gap there. Keep going.
I can do. I'm so confident on this side, but this side's so wobbly. I'm not bending my knee enough. I know.
Yeah, that's all right. You'll know even more when you see the video. So, the number one tip. What is the number one tip for everyone at home?
Bend your knees.
Bend your knees. Sure.
To get back. There.
Dance. There you go. I heard it. Ready? Sorry, that was me. That was my fault. I was on the side. I'll have to go behind you. Keep going, keep going. That was good. That was good.
It's so hard when there's so many people.
What do
They're
you?
allowed to skate too.
now? What do you feel least comfortable with? What do you feel least comfortable with that you want to work on? Do you have questions? I feel like I haven't done much in this video to help you. Or the people at home. Well, it's good. I already taught you to know what you need to know.
Well, this one is more like moving back. Because when I was first doing it, I was doing it that way. But it should be.
You're still doing a little bit of that, like tucking your foot back, so that way you're pushing side to side, right? Okay, let's go. Good. Good job. Ooh, I saw that.
It's a little bit.
Nice. I heard it too. I don't know if it'll be on the camera, but maybe the sound. Good. That was good. That was a lot better.
It's just because there's so many people. I just am not confident with doing it. That's okay, that's
Keep it up.
Nope.
See, okay.
Like
See
how
if
they're
you
supposed
can
to be
get it.
so light.
Can you lift your feet as you're skating? While you're skating, you're basically skating on one foot, but now this one's sliding. Go forward, go forward. You're basically standing on one foot, and then your other foot is just lightly touching. I know. That's okay. Okay, let's skate. There you go. That was a lot better. Now try it again.
Nope.
She got it on that side though. Better, better. Now do it right here. There, that's the building blocks. The basics. The fun in fundamentals. I'm sorry.
You're in the wrong spot.
Oh, there's a rivet. Divot.
Oh, that made my heart
That's an
jump.
ankle grabber.
That made my heart jump to the butt. Oh,
Okay.
that's scary.
Oh.
Like, what the hell is that?
Almost. But you didn't. I think it's time to put your hot lap in. Except I have to go grab my phone in order to do the hot lap. Do we even remember what your time was? It's been so long. I think you got 30.
I thought it was 30. No,
No, it was 30.
but the first time we did it, I got 42.
Then you got like 37
I got
or something.
38, and then we did it again, it was 30.
Okay.
I think.
Yeah.
Because we thought I was going to be able to get down to 35, and they got it down.
Yeah. It's clearing out. You got some room. I say we do it. No better time than never.
The edge
Okay, we can do the edges again. Let's see it. Show them that inside edge. We've been working on it. Or you just do squats.
Like, these people are just filming themselves. How annoying.
Alright. At least I'm hands-free. That's good. Oh, I thought that was it.
I thought it was the fall.
I thought you were going down.
I always take this. So I was leaning too far forward.
Yeah, but that's better than not leaning forward at all. Yep. Ooh, the hockey stop. Hockey stop-ish. Ooh, that was good. That was really good. So I don't think I really talked that one over for the people at home, did I? Because we've done it in the past. So for those of you guys watching, this one's the inside edge. We'll have her show you again. But the whole key is you're working exclusively on the inside edge and doing sharp, tight turns and snapping your toe. So you're pushing from one side to the other.
It's kind of like this one.
Except you're on one foot. And the biggest thing that this is working on is lengthening your stride, because as you're fully loaded up and at the end of your turn, you're pushing into your next turn and pushing, so your stride should get fully maximized and your big toe should be the last thing that you feel. But in order to do that, your knee has to be bent. But you're doing a lot better. So let's see it. Show the people again, one more time, the inside edge. Good. That was really good.
That's the farthest I've gone.
Yeah, that was almost the whole
I almost
lap.
fell too, and then I kept going.
Oh, nice. I didn't even realize.
Not fell, but kind of teetered out.
You know, you lost it a little. All right. So now it's the time for the hot lap.
Yes, but what if it gets slower? Here, you go get your phone, and I'll do a
Practice one? Okay.
Or just a one.
Gotcha. Yeah. Gotta get the max lap here.
I feel like viewers at home should know that that time is really, really bad. So,
Okay.
if I go down in time,
Where do you want to start? All right. 30 seconds. That's what you got last time. What do you think you get this time?
I think I'm gonna go up first, and you're gonna get 32.
Okay.
Let's see.
Around all 4 dots.
Are you gonna stay here?
No, I will follow you. Do you want me to stay here? I'll go with you. Then it's kind of protected. On your mark. Get set. Go. We'll just use that kid as a pylon. Ooh, she's hustling. You need a speed skating start like that.
Well,
That was decent though.
okay.
31.
So not too bad.
There you go.
I almost fell like 3 times. Did you see that?
I saw a couple wobbles, but you saved them.
Saved them.
All right. You can rest a little longer if you want.
I want to get.
You want to go? All right, on your mark, get set, go. Ooh, hustle, 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 hustle. Let's go. Let's go through the line, through the line, through the line. Ooh. What do you think you got?
Like 30 again.
28, the new personal best.
I will cut it right there for now.
28. That's the new personal best, though.
Personal best.
Personal best. She's already shaved a lot. Yeah.
Quite a bit.
I told her, you learn how to turn, you'll save some time out
Well,
here.
I don't really know how to turn.
You learn your crossovers.
Yeah, once we get the crossies going, it'll be another
I
10
can
seconds
barely
gone.
do the inside edge. I don't think we're going to crossovers.
Said, I don't know how we're gonna catch that speed skater guy. He said the world record's 9.
Okay.
He said the world record is 9 seconds for a lap.
Well, that's because he's doing multiple laps and then.
Yeah, and then timing it at speed.
Time.
At speed.
As soon as he hits that, he's already going this time.
Yeah.
Oh.
Not from a dead stop.
Cheater.
Not from a dig, as we say in the racing world.
Yeah, 9 seconds.
Yeah, take him from a dig.
Take 20 seconds off my time.
Alright.
It's still hard though, you know, I can barely manage 14 on
I don't even know how they skate on those.
Yeah, I'd toe pick. So long.
Well, I haven't gotten worse.
Alright. I got him a few times falling. Let's go wrap this video. Yeah. That's all that matters, is that you get better every time you get on the ice. Face your fears. Right? For those of you guys watching at home who are scared to lace them up, just face your fears. Face your fears and get out there. And just, whatever your goal is, just try to work on it every week. Yeah. Set an easy goal, and then you'll accomplish it, and then set one that's a little bit harder, and a little bit harder, and a little bit harder. Dude, that's a Celly now. Kuznetsov does it all the time, the bird, the eagle. Even the kids on my squirt team do it. Yeah. Alright, well. Don't do it. We're not ready for the cane Sallys yet. Alright, well, whoa, don't fall before the video's over. It's still Tropics off season. We should be back pretty soon. I know I've been pretty slow with some uploads. Hopefully by the time you're seeing this, I'm back to a more consistent schedule. If I'm not, hold me more accountable in the comment section. And check the merch, check out all the social media. And until next time, it's the Beer League Bender. Until next time, it's the Beer League Bender.